Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make yeast donuts, only ways. Start by warming 1 cup milk to 110 degrees F and proofing the yeast until foamy, then combine with eggs, sugar, salt, and 5 cups flour to form a soft dough. Knead for 8 to 10 minutes until elastic, then add 2 tablespoons softened butter and knead until incorporated. Shape, rest, and prepare for the next rise before cutting. Allow the dough to rise in a warm bowl until doubled, usually 60 to 90 minutes, then punch gently to release large air bubbles and roll out to 1/2 inch thickness. Cut donuts with a floured cutter, reserve scraps for smaller donut holes, and place on parchment to rest for a short second rise. Keep them covered and warm so they puff slightly, which gives the classic light, airy interior we want. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing dough tricks and recipes. It really helps. Quick recommendation. Dollar Banknote, a book that can truly change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth, pairs oddly but nicely with baking because planning matters both in your kitchen and your finances. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Heat oil to 360 degrees F in a deep pot or electric fryer and fry donuts for about 45 to 60 seconds per side until golden brown, flipping carefully to keep shape. Drain briefly on paper towels, then while warm dip in glaze or toss in granulated sugar for a classic finish. Apply chocolate glaze for variety. Let the glaze set for a moment so donuts are easy to handle, then serve warm for best texture and flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.